Mahadev to everyone and welcome back to Priyanshu Techverse YouTube channel. Hello, future coders. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial in the world of software development: front-end versus back-end development. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon for all the latest updates on tech and coding. Let's start with front-end development. Imagine you're building a house. The front-end developer is like the architect who designs the house, focusing on what the users will see and interact with. They use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create beautiful, responsive interfaces that users love. Now, let's meet the back-end developer. They're like the engineers behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Their job is to build the infrastructure that supports the front-end, handling databases, servers, and business logic. They work with languages like Python, Java, or Ruby to create robust, scalable systems. Here's the interesting part. While front-end developers focus on user experience and visual elements, back-end developers are all about functionality and data management. It's like the front-end developer designs the car dashboard, while the back-end developer builds the engine that powers it. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your interests and strengths. Front-end developers often have a knack for design and enjoy creating responsive, intuitive interfaces. On the other hand, back-end developers love problem-solving and building the backbone of applications that handle millions of requests securely and efficiently. Think of it this way. When you use a social media app like Instagram, front-end developers crafted the sleek interface and interactive features you see. Meanwhile, back-end developers ensure your photos are stored securely, your feed updates in real time, and your data remains safe. In conclusion, whether you choose front-end or back-end development, both roles are vital to creating seamless, user-friendly applications. The beauty of software development lies in its diversity and collaboration between these two disciplines. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments which aspect of development interests you more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on coding, tech trends, and everything in between. Moreover, insightful tech discussions here on Priyanshu Techverse. Until next time, happy coding.